How to use eBay Authenticity Guarantee. To use the eBay Authenticity Guarantee program, you do not need to pay extra or buy special subscription because the process is fully automated by eBay for eligible high-value luxury items to protect both buyers and sellers. So if you are a buyer, you simply have to browse for items like sneakers, luxury watches, designer bags, jewelry, or trading cards. Eligible items will display a blue check mark with the text Authenticity Guarantee next to the price. You simply have to check out as normal, and the automatic routing will be processed. And once verified, the item is repackaged in a premium eBay security packaging, assigned a unique authentication card or NFC tag. And if you are a seller, you simply have to meet the requirements, ensure your item qualifies for high value, then ship to the center, then return the liability. Once the authenticator approves your item and ships it to the buyer, your seller metrics are protected. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.